another unboxing from lockpicks.com. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. As you can see, we got another unboxing we're going to do. Ordered a few things from lockpicks.com. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Boy, they tape these things up really tight. Man, these things are taped up. So, let's see what we got here. Let's go ahead and open this up, get the box out of the way. Alright, now we should be back in line. Okay, what we have on the table now, as you can see, as far as my mat, but I happened to catch a glimpse of this one. So, as you can see, I got a new mat for my desk, which for now I'm going to take it out of plastic, show you guys as much as I can. Then when I have it all set up on the table, I'll go ahead and give you guys a shot of it on my next video. Alright, there's what we got. I don't know how much of it you can see, if you can see the whole thing or not, but you'll get a better shot next time. But if you can see it, as you can see, on the top left and right corner, we have two small pinning trays, and on the bottom we have two small boxes for whatever you want, the core, springs, anything. But I am going to take it back off for now and go through the rest of the stuff that I have. If you guys have watched my videos, you know that I use the snake rake a lot. So what I did, I bought two more snake rakes. If I'm not mistaken, one is 18 thousandths and the other one is 15 thousandths. But as you can see, here's my two brand new snake rakes. And I also ordered a set of Abus blocks just to try them out. Matter of fact, on my last video, let me see, I come across an Avis that I didn't even have a key for it. So, but I did pick it and get it open. It is on video. Please go check it out. But there's my Avis lock that was given to me by a friend. Here are two that I just bought from lockpicks.com. And I bought myself another set of picks. Let me get them opened up here. These are from SouthOrd. They're the BPXS12. As you can see, it came with 4 bottom of the keyway tensioners. Let me get these locks scooted out of the way. 4 bottom of the keyway tensioners. And let's take a look at the picks. Boy, these picks look good. These picks are, I don't know if you can see or not, but they are sandwiched on both sides, obviously. But let me get them laid out. But these are a nice set of picks. I think they were called the pagoda, and I probably pronounced it wrong. You guys can go ahead and laugh if you want. But here is my full set of SouthOrd picks I had just bought. They are tattooed on both sides. SouthOrd USA. Same thing on the other side. SouthOrd USA. Let's see if I can get it up there to help you guys out. And as you can see, it's on both sides. Let's just take a look at these things. Yeah, they are nice. Polished up, really, really good. No sharp edges on them. No anything. Got some meat on the handle. Yeah, these are definitely nice. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 of them with 4 tension wrenches. Again, bottom of the keyway. And here are my 2 other snake rakes I told you I had bought. And let's see here if we have a snake rake in here. We do not have a snake rake in here. So anyway, there are my new picks. My new bottom of the keyway tensioners. My 2 brand new snake rakes. My Avis lock. And these are the 5540 series. Right here, German engineered. Solid brass. I'm looking for the rating on here, how they rate these as far as difficulty. I don't quite see that anywhere on here. So there's all that, along with my new mat here. So let me go ahead and say thanks for watching the video with me, guys. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and get my stuff set up, get my new pinning mat down here, and make another video. So thanks again, guys. Have a good day. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and or subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hope you liked what you've seen. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.